This is the best question of the day, sir. Question of the day. Very, very good question, sir. Just a small change, you will get the answer. Small change, you will get the answer. From 1 to 100, how many numbers can be written as a difference of two perfect squares in exactly one way? In exactly one way. Exactly one way. There are certain numbers which can be written as, suppose x square minus y square equivalent to k. X square minus y square equivalent to k. For example, k, if I take 16, x plus y into x minus y, this can be written as 8 into 2 and 4 into 4. Yes or no? X plus y 8. X plus y, if it is 8. X minus y 2. So x will be 5, y will be 3. So this can be written as 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9. X plus y 4. X minus y 4. X is 4, y is 0. 4 square minus 6 square. 4 square minus 6 square. I hope it is clear. Now what we'll do is, we will take it as 24 just to tell you how many cases will arise. We'll take it as 24 just to tell you that x square, listen carefully, sir. Once you understand this example, then solving will be easy. Suppose if k is 24, k is 24, x plus y into x minus y equivalent to 24. If k is 24, this can be 12 into 2. This can be 4 into 6. Yes or no? This can be 6 into 4. X plus y if it is 12. X minus y if it is 2. X is 7. Y is 5. So 24 can be written as 7 square minus 5 square. If x plus y if it is 6. X minus y it is 4. X is 5. Y is 1. It can be written as 5 square minus 1 square. That means if the right hand side, if I am taking 24, I am getting two cases. 7 square minus 5 square and 5 square minus 1 square. I am getting two cases. But the question is, I need exactly one way. There should not be more than one way that the squares should be formed. I hope the question is clear. What all values k can come in the right hand side such that the squares can be, difference of two squares can be written in only one way. Here I am able to write it in two ways. Now, just logical understanding, you will get the answer. X square minus y square equivalent to k has integral solutions. Has integral solutions only if, what is the first case? K is an odd number. K is an odd number. And k is a multiple of 4. K is a multiple of 4. K is a multiple of 4. Listen carefully, sir. K is a multiple of 4. Now, see here. Listen carefully. K is a multiple of 4. Let me see what will happen if the odd number, it is a prime number. Odd number, it is an odd prime number. Let me see what will happen if it is an odd prime number. If it is an odd prime number, 3, 5, 7 and so on up to 97. Odd prime number. Odd prime number. If it is odd prime number, x square minus y square equivalent to 3. So this will become x plus y into x minus y. 3 can only be written in one way. Because 3 it is a prime number. Because 3 it is a prime number. 3 into 1 is only one way. Yes or no? Perfect squares from how many numbers? 3 into 1. You cannot write it as 1 into 3. sum of two natural numbers will be greater than their difference. If it is 5, again only one way. If it is 97, again it is only one way. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? Right? I hope it is clear. So this will be, k can be an odd number. K can be an odd number. So from 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. Here I got 24 numbers. Here I got 24 numbers. K should be an odd number. Let me take k value 1. X square minus y square equivalent to 1. 1 square minus 0 square. 1 square minus 0 square. 1 square minus 0 square. It is possible, right? So 1 square minus 0 square, it is 1. So from 1 to 100, there are 24 numbers. K can take 1. So 24 plus 1, 25. Why it can be written exactly in one way? Why? Because it is a prime number. Prime number has got only two distinct factors, 1 and itself. So it is 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Are you all with me? So if I write it as 1 and 3, 2x equivalent to 4, x equivalent to 2, y equivalent to 1, x equivalent to 2. That means if I take 3, 3 can be written as only 2 square minus 1 square. If it is 5, x square minus y square, it is 5, into x minus 5 is y minus 1. 2x equivalent to 6. X is 3, y is 2. 3 square minus 2 square. 4 square minus 3 square. I hope the idea it is clear. 11. 6 square. 36 minus 5 square. Only one way. K is an odd number. That odd number should be a prime number. It can also be 1. X square minus y square equivalent to k. X plus y minus x minus y equivalent to multiples of k. When the right hand side will be a multiple of 4, when this is an even number and this is an even number. Are you all with me? 4 and 4 will be cancelled. Now, just now we discussed in how many ways can you write as exactly one way? K should be a prime number. K should be a prime multiple. K should be a prime multiple. What are the prime multiples? And K should be an odd number, which is K equivalent to 1. So K equivalent to 1 can come. K can take 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 values. I hope you are able to understand that it is 4 into something. If that something is a prime number, I can only write it in only one way. That is 1 into itself. 1 into itself. I hope the idea it is clear. If K should be a prime number, K should be a prime number. K should be a prime number. I hope this idea it is clear. This idea it is clear. I will write down. Take some examples to make you understand. X square minus y square equivalent to k. These as integral solutions. If I want exactly 1, that k should be an odd number or a prime multiple of 4. Why it should be a prime multiple of 4? 2k1, 2k2, 2 will get cancelled. Let me take, for example, x square minus y square equivalent to 12. See here, x plus y into x minus y equivalent to 12. 12 is a multiple of 4, or we will write like this, 2 into 6. 2 into 6. Any other way it is there? Even if you take 6 into 2, 1 into 12, 12 into 1. Assume you don't know that right hand side is a multiple of 4, 2k should be subtracted. Now see here, x plus y 2, x minus y 6, 2x equivalent to 8, x is 4. X is 4, y will be, we will write it down as 6 and 2. X is 4, y will be 2. So this can be written as 4 square minus 2 square only. 2 square only. If I write it as 6 and 2, I got this answer. If I write it as 2 and 6, 2x equivalent to 8, x is 6, y will be negative. Question is perfect squares. Difference of two perfect squares in exactly. How from 1 to 100, when I am writing from 1 to 100, they are all natural numbers. So only one way. Anyway, it will give fraction 2x equivalent to 13. I hope it is clear. 4 into k, that number should be a prime number. So the prime number cannot go beyond 23. If I take 29, 4 into 29 is 116. From 1 to 100. I want all the numbers from 1 to 100. So, two cases, x square minus y square equivalent to k has integral solutions only if k is an odd number, k is a multiple of 4. If it is an odd number and a prime odd number, you will get only one way. Take one also. You will take 4 into something, that 4 into will go away because right hand side is a multiple of 4. 2k1, 2k2. That multiple of 4 should be a prime number. Very, very important, sir. X square minus y square equivalent to k has exactly one integral solution. Has one integral solution for x comma y only when k is an odd prime and k equivalent to 1, or k is an 4 into x, x is a prime number and x equivalent to 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Try to take not a prime number and a composite number. You will realize that you are getting some cases. I took x square minus y square equivalent to 24. X square minus y square equivalent to 24 I took. See here. X plus y, x minus y is 24. What are the cases we got? 5 square minus 1 square, 7 square minus 5 square. Two cases we got. 24 is 4 into 6. 6 is a composite number. 4 into k, that k should be a prime number. That k should be a prime number and k equivalent to 1. So answer for this question is, here how many cases we got? 25 cases for this. 10 cases for this. So answer for this question is 35. Best question of the day. Try to analyze this question, sir. Answer for this question is 35. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.